Little progress on my song Shenandoah. I'm going to play through it twice on these two Coal. I changed the strings on them. I put green planets on this Coal C200, and I put labella nylons on the KC-10. Actually, that was probably a really good playthrough for lately. For some reason, past several days especially, I just feel like I've had a real bad regression on my playing through this song. I've just had a lot of more struggle with it for some reason. Keep messing up, just forgetting where I am in places, and just like when I first began it. And I'm not sure why I had that type of regression, but I feel like I'm trying to come back out of it. Fixing to find out, because for some reason the nylon strings are harder to play for me. Just getting them to flow right. I don't know. I'm not used to them. That's the biggest thing. I fell in love with fluorocarbons early on, and that's pretty much all I've played. Save for some a couple of sets of B blacks and things like that. All right, let's see how we can do here. I kind of skipped a little tiny part there, and I got that end notes mixed up. But anyways, we gave it a little sound sample, and well, like I said, as far as the progress, that was actually a whole lot better than it's been, the past several days. I don't think I've played it through, that decent, 2 times in a row in the past 3 days. But like I said, sometimes, just have, little regressions like that for some reason. I'm not sure why. Like I said, it's kind of common for me. But anyways, we'll keep going, and hopefully we'll end up getting this song where we can, where I can play it really, really smooth. That's my hopes. Trying to get there. I play it every day, many, many times a day, and eventually it's got to get at least halfway decent. But appreciate you watching.